Today we are looking at the Hotpoint NRFAA50P Fridge Freezer in white. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. The Hotpoint NRFAA50P Fridge Freezer combines style and efficiency for all your refrigeration needs. Small in size, big on space, boasting an A+ energy efficiency rating, their NRFAA50P will ensure your food stays crisp and fresh whilst providing a safe and hygienic environment for your refrigerated produce. Antibacterial protection maintains cleanliness in this important kitchen appliance. 3 safety glass shelves and 2 salad crispers help you to organize the fridge, providing ample storage for your family's weekly shop. And with its narrow 545mm profile, it will fit neatly into even the most bijoux kitchen. Frozen storage. The 4-star freezer in there, NRFAA50P offers a whopping 73 litre storage capacity, and with clear drawer fronts, rummaging in the depths of your freezer for that elusive bag of frozen peas will be a thing of the past. The inbuilt super freeze function of the NRFAA50P will ensure that never again will your ice cream perish because of slow freezing times, and your food will be kept on ice without hassle. The stylish design and gloss finish of the Hotpoint NRFAA50P Fridge Freezer make it the ideal appliance for any busy kitchen, marrying both practicality and elegance for an impressive addition to your home. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.